Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic. First of all, you're going to open up a blank slide and insert a circle, and then you're going to put it half inside this template and half outside. Cover it half with a rectangle and subtract it from the rectangle from merge options. Next, what you're going to do is insert a small circle in the middle and bottom part and subtract it from the circle. Next, what you're going to do is put a rectangle this thick right here in the middle, and then you're going to just duplicate it and then rotate it like this and put it onto the right side onto the same shape, and then we're gonna like rotate it again and put it right here. Select all of your shapes and then you are going to fragment them, unselect these four shapes and then delete all of the other shapes. And the next thing you're going to do is select all of them one by one and then change their fill. Select all of them and remove the outline. Next, we're gonna insert a small circle right here in the bottom clear part right here. We're gonna remove the outline and give it a fill. Next, we're gonna just insert like a triangle, duplicate the same circle and put it on the bottom part on the base of the triangle. Select both of the shapes and then we're gonna subtract them, and then we're gonna put this shape, that triangle shape, right onto the previous circle shape. But what we're gonna do is make sure that it is just on top of that circle with a very little space between. Here you go. Next, what you're gonna do is just like you're gonna insert your content text and then you're gonna decrease its size very much little. And here you go. Next, what you're gonna do is change its fill to white and then put it white into your shape. And here you go. And next we're gonna insert what our title and what number of the shape it is. So this is the second shape, and then we're gonna duplicate the shape and the text boxes, and then we're gonna just put it into each of the shape. So here you go. And now let's just add our other text boxes, and we're also gonna insert a title, which is gonna be infographic as always. By the way, let me tell you that you can buy this premium template from the link of the Patreon link in the description below. And this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.